How to unlock Android phone password without factory reset. Actually, it's possible to unlock a password, PIN, or pattern-locked Android device without losing data. In this video, 6 efficient and safe ways are available for you to unlock Android phone without factory reset. Fix 1. Unlock Android phone password without factory reset using Google account. Enter an incorrect passcode 5 times. Tap Forgot pattern. During the 30-second wait, choose Enter Google account details and input Gmail credentials. Retrieve or change the unlock pattern from the email. Fix 2. Unlock Android phone without factory reset using Android Device Manager. Go to www.google.com/android/device manager. Sign in. Select device. Click lock. Set a temporary passcode. Enter temporary passcode on the locked phone. In Settings, Security, remove temporary passcode. Set a new one. Fix 3. Unlock Android phone pattern lock without factory reset via ADB. Download ADB from https://developer.android.com/studio/command-line/adb.html to see. Connect the locked phone in charge only mode. In command prompt, go to ADB directory and enter adb shell cd data or system arm password key. Fix 4. Unlock Android pattern lock without factory reset using backup PIN. Attempt the Android pattern unlock multiple times until you see try again in 30 seconds. Choose backup PIN from the options. Enter the backup PIN and click OK. Your device will unlock with the backup PIN. Fix 5. Unlock Samsung phone password without factory reset using Find My Mobile. Visit Samsung's Find My Mobile webpage. Sign in. Choose your Samsung device. Click Unlock My Screen Lock. Receive notification of the unlocked phone. Change pattern or PIN. Fix 6. Remove pattern lock on Android without factory reset using Android Unlock. Whether you lock the screen by pattern, PIN, or fingerprint, you can use Android Unlock to bypass any type of password.